Alright, today I'm working on the truck, a job that I don't particularly care for, but one thing that happens when I work on vehicles is I take out bolts and nuts and whatever else, and then I can't figure out where to put them. So this time I got smart, brought the paint set out, and I color coded them. So these ones here go here, for example, but see this thing here, this liner? It's got like a bazillion random holes. I don't know where to put everything, so I just color code it, and that way I know exactly where to put each one. And I tend to mark similar ones and if there's a big difference I might use the same color. So for instance, these ones are little and I'm about to mark blue. This one here is much bigger, and well, I've got this one marked green, but it wouldn't matter if I marked this blue. So that's my little system for making sure I keep track of where everything goes. If you're really worried about the look of it, I mean, it's under your car. Who's gonna go under your car? I mean, mechanics, and who cares what they think? So, you know, paint up the bottom of your car, paint up the engine, who cares? Enjoy. Bye.